Monica here. Today is already the second week of December. It is flying by fast. We are continuing with our December Data Ducks series where I share with you how rubber ducks can be data scientists. Yesterday, we learned that talking to yourself out loud is a great strategy for learning. And whenever you're learning something, it's really good to apply those learnings and practice to really solidify that knowledge. So, have you started talking to yourself yet? If not, let's practice. Let's grab our duck. So, from our Advent calendar, it is the 4th. All right. And oh, I got a door that's there. Okay, so this duck looks like he's having some issues decorating the house. There is a lot of lights all over the place. Okay, this is adorable. Now, rubber duck debugging, again, a useful way to get an understanding of your code if you're having problems, or if you just want to describe what you're doing to get more ideas. And you want to use your duck and talk to them out loud. Remember to look them in the eyes. And yeah, let's go into it. So I wanted to do something fun and silly, naturally, to help with a small task that I wanted to share with y'all. So I created a way to help automate the selection of random Christmas memes that are saved on my computer. And I did this by using Python and JupyterLab for the code and Google to search and save an assortment of memes. So I'm going to put you down over here and we'll head on over. So what I have here open is JupyterLab, and you can see that I have my data science and Christmas 2022 folder that has all of the different images in it and our notebook. And I will go through what I have outlined here. So we want to import random, which is a package that helps you generate random numbers. And then also this OS package, which stands for operating system. And that's just a way that you can connect to your operating system so that it can grab the files that are saved on your computer. Firstly, what you want to do is create your path. I deleted the beginning of the path for recording purposes, but you can see here that it's my data science and Christmas folder. And then secondly, you want to use this operating system package to list the directories, the files that are in that path that you gave. And then next, you use random to choose the random number, and then that will apply to, it will pick the file that it wants to pick. And then you use start file from the OS package to pop up that file. So I will go ahead and run this cell. I already ran these previously to make sure that they work. So if we run this, we can see here that it came up with our lovely image. It says, I uploaded my list to Dropbox. Did you get it? I'm sure Santa knows all about Dropbox and uses that. The cool thing with this is that it automates it for you, and so you can actually run that cell again. We close that. You can run the cell again. And because you are running the random choice, it generates an additional random number for you, and then it pops up with a different theme. This says, last Christmas, I gave you my data, but the very next day, you gave it away. Okay, one more. Oh gosh, I was talking to somebody about this. When can you start celebrating Christmas? This is perfect because it's still very early in the month. However, it is after Thanksgiving. I do think that if you are celebrating Thanksgiving, that you should wait to celebrate Christmas. But anybody can celebrate any way that they want to. All right, so grabbing the duck again. And one thing that I did want to mention here is that if you're thinking about different data projects that you want to work on, it doesn't have to be something overly complicated. Something like this, it was super short, easy, relatively easy if you know the packages, but you are still learning things. If you don't know the packages, you saw that I had tabs up, and you learn new things. And so just remember that you can learn from small tasks like these as well. And with that, thank you to the rubber duck. And for those that are watching, thank you and happy learning.